Hello class, this is a walkthrough for your history brochure project for your image editing on creating your brochure for the given history topic that you've chosen. So for the website that you're going to be using, it's pixlr.com. This website's free and easy to use. And the first thing that you're going to do when you get to the website is you're going to pick a template of how you want your brochure to look. You can pick from the recommended templates if that's something that appeals to you and you're going to be able to get all the information that's required of you on there. Or you can come down and make a custom template that has more variables to it, with images and things of that nature. But I will go up into the recommended templates and just pick one at random. So I think I'm going to go with this one here. So as you can see, this template has a lot of information on it. So if you're going to use a recommended template, you're going to need to edit it to make the information that you need to have on your brochure there. So you can change an image and change the positioning of it. You can edit the text to anything you want. You can do pretty much anything you need to with recommended templates. You can add text and pick something that goes along. You can add different elements. You can crop and rotate your brochure. You can put effects on images. You can adjust filters on images. You can retouch images, and you can change the layout and style, and everything that you need to do to complete your brochure will be here. This is a very hands-on project and hopefully very fun for you guys, and I'm excited to see what your brochures look like.